Alright, it's recording now.
Hi. Hello everybody, today in this video we're gonna make some popcorn. First you need to cut all your shit, just put it there, and then go like over there, and then okay, let's put the popcorn for this piece of question popcorn for 2 minutes, and we're just gonna wait. Then we're gonna get some emoji. So first, we're gonna do it. Alright, now we're gonna blend some milk. And we're gonna now let's put the milk in the cup. Just wait and just what you fucking say. And then just add oh my fucking and then when you got your milk in the fucking cup, just you put it over here and then we're just gonna wait for the popcorn to be done. And since the popcorn is done, I'm gonna do like this.
Oh.
And that was going to freaking look good, and then go like this, and then boom. Okay, fuck it then. The popcorn is going to be done, so yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Popcorn's done. Alright, now you're going to get this piece of shit open and then grab it. Then grab it before it's hot. And then this is how you make popcorn. So yeah. Thank you all for watching for the cooking show. Make sure to fucking subscribe my channel. Oh yeah, and subscribe to One Bawa and subscribe to Music Normal. I am Music Normal. And thank you all for watching, and then I'll see you guys later. Peace.